Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a gig in Fiverr. Also I'm going to show you how you can do the search engine optimization, which is also known as the SEO of your Fiverr gig using your smartphone. So viewers, what you have to do is watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Viewers, you have to go to Chrome browser and then tap on this plus icon, and then viewers, in the Chrome browser search box you have to type Fiverr, and then you have to search for it. After that you have to scroll down, and viewers, you can see the hypertext which is Fiverr, and the hyperlink is https://www.fiverr.com. So you have to tap on this hypertext Fiverr, and then viewers, you have to sign in to your Fiverr account. So to sign into your Fiverr account, what you have to do is tap on the three horizontal lines, which is also known as the hamburger menu. You have to tap on it. After that viewers, you have to tap on sign in, and then viewers, what you have to do is type the email or username of your Fiverr account, and then you have to type the password. Viewers, I have typed the email as well as the password for my Fiverr account. So viewers, when you will type the username and password, you have to tap on the continue button, or if you want to sign into Fiverr with Facebook, Google or Apple account, you can do like that also, but I am not using them. I am going to log in to my Fiverr account just by typing the email and password. After that viewers, what you have to do is tap on the three vertical dots, which is also known as the kebab menu. After that you have to scroll down and tap on the checkbox, which is at the right side of the desktop site. You have to tap on that checkbox, and then viewers, at the left side of your profile icon you can see the text which is switch to selling. So viewers, if it is not switched to selling, then it will be switched to buying. So the page which is open right now is the buying web page of Fiverr website. So you have to tap on it. As in my case it's already open, so I will not tap on the switch to selling. After that viewers, what you have to do is tap on the tab count icon, and then you have to tap on the plus icon, and then viewers, in the Chrome search box you have to again type Fiverr, and then you have to search for it. After that viewers, you have to scroll down and you can see the hypertext which is Fiverr, and the hyperlink is https://www.fiverr.com. So you have to tap on the hypertext, and then viewers, you have to tap on the three vertical dots again, and then you have to scroll down and tap on the checkbox which is at the right side of the desktop site. After that viewers, you have to tap on your profile icon, and then you have to tap on profile. After that viewers, you have to tap on this plus icon, and then viewers, you have to add the gig title. So viewers, for that you have to do the search engine optimization for your Fiverr gig title. So For that, what you have to do is again tap on the tab count icon, and then viewers, you have to tap on the web page which was the buying web page. And then viewers, you have to think like a buyer, and you have to tap on the Fiverr search box, and then for example I want to hire a person from Fiverr to edit my YouTube videos. So what I will do is type in the Fiverr search box YouTube video editing. Viewers, you can see that Fiverr has shown me suggestions. These are basically the keywords. You can see it has shown me up the YouTube video editors and video editing for YouTube vlog, professional video editing for YouTube, professional YouTube video editors, YouTube video editing, gaming. So viewers, these are basically the keywords. So I will search for YouTube video editing. Then viewers, you can see that the first gig which has shown up is this one. So I will tap on it. Viewers, in your case you have to also tap on the first gig. After that viewers, you can see that the title for this gig is I will do professional video editing for YouTube. So I will add the related title for the gig which I am creating in Fiverr. So I will again tap on the tab count icon and then go back to my Fiverr selling web page, and then I will add the title as do YouTube video editing professionally, and then I will select a category as it is for video and animation, and then I will select the subcategory which is video editing, and then I will select the gig metadata. So the primary type of videos which I will edit are YouTube videos, so I will select this radio button, and then I will add the search tags. So viewers, for the search tags you have to do the search engine optimization also. So if I again tap on the tab count icon and then again open the gig of that person which I opened recently and then scroll down, so viewers, you can see his gig tags. I will add one tag which is video editor. So I will go back and then I will add the tag which is video editor. After that viewers, when you have typed the tag, you have to tap on this enter button on your smartphone keyboard. You can see as I tapped on it, the tag has been added. After that viewers, I will again tap on the tab count icon and then again go to the Fiverr buying web page, and then I will tap on this gig and I will copy this gig tags also. So you can see his tags are video editor, YouTube professional, log. So I will add these tags also which are YouTube, blog and professional. So viewers, you can see I have added the 4. I will add one more also. I will go back again to the Fiverr buying web page, and then this time I will tap on this gig and then I will scroll down And then I will again copy one more tag, which is video editing. Video editing. And then viewers, what I will do is tap on this button, which is save and continue. After that viewers, you have to add the packages. So viewers, I will add only the basic package. So if you want to add the standard and premium, it's your choice. So I will just add the basic package. So for that I will tap on this toggle switch button, and this is right now enabled. So if I will tap on it, it will be disabled and the offered packages will be disabled. And now I can only add the basic package. So I will name the package as YouTube video editor, and then I will describe the details of my offerings. Remember viewers, you have to add the keywords, and then the delivery time I will select as 3 days, and it's your choice whatever selection you want to do. So I'm just selecting them. And then viewers, you have to add the price for your package, and then viewers, you can add the extra services also. So in my case, I am going to disable them, as well as additional revision also, by just tapping on these check boxes. So viewers, I have disabled the both extra fast delivery as well as additional revision, and then viewers, I will tap on save and continue button. And then viewers, you have to add the keywords as much as you can in your description so that your Fiverr can rank, and make sure that the description of your gig is readable. So I will add the description. Viewers, you can see that I have added the description. After that viewers, you can add the FAQs also. So I will tap on save and continue, and then viewers, you have to add at least one requirement. If viewers, I don't add any requirement and tap on save and continue, you can see the Fiverr shows up that you must add at least one requirement. So viewers, I will add one requirement. After that viewers, I will get it in a form of free text, and then I will tap on the add button. After that viewers, I will tap on save and continue button. And then viewers, I will upload a video as well image. Viewers, I have uploaded the video as well as image. Then I will tap on the save and continue button. After that viewers, I will tap on publish gig button. Viewers, you can see that now the gig is open for business. Now I will tap on done button. Viewers, like this you can add gig in your Fiverr account. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. Share it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Get information and knowledge, and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.